In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Ecwid with Printify. This is a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to seamlessly link their Ecwid storefront with Printify's on-demand printing and dropshipping services. Whether you're aiming to expand your product range or streamline your fulfillment process, this integration opens up a world of opportunities for your online store. First, let's start at the very beginning. You'll need to navigate to Ecwid's website. This platform offers a hassle-free e-commerce solution that's designed to help you sell anywhere to anyone across the internet and around the world. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is quite straightforward. You're going to look for the login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you closer to integrating with Printify. Now, assuming you've already got an Ecwid account set up, you'll have the option to sign in using various methods. For simplicity and convenience, we recommend signing in with Google if that's an option available to you. This method offers a seamless login experience, saving you from remembering another set of login credentials. Once you've selected your preferred Google account, you'll be directed to the Ecwid control panel. This is where all the magic happens. From managing your products to tweaking your store settings, the Ecwid control panel is your command center. Now take a moment to look around. Notice how intuitive the interface is. Everything you need is just a few clicks away. To move forward with our integration process, let's hover over the Apps option within the control panel. This action reveals additional options, but what we're interested in is the App Market. Click on it. The App Market is a treasure trove of tools and integrations designed to extend the functionality of your Ecwid store. Here you can find apps for marketing, store design, analytics, and much more. In the App Market search bar, type in Printify. This is the key player in our integration process. Printify simplifies the process of creating and selling custom products with your designs. They handle everything from printing to shipping directly to your customers, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running your business. Once you've found Printify in the search results, click on the listing titled Integration with Printify, Drop Shipping and Custom Printing Service. This will bring you to a page detailing everything about the integration, including its features and benefits. One thing to note here is the price listed at $8.49 a month. This cost is for connecting Ecwid with Printify and utilizing their service to drop ship products directly to your customers. If you haven't upgraded your Ecwid account to access this feature, the page will prompt you to do so. On the other hand, if you're all set with a suitable plan, you'll see an option to install instead of upgrade. Clicking on Install will initiate the integration process between Ecwid and Printify. Now let's take a step back and appreciate the simplicity of this process. By integrating Ecwid with Printify, you've not only expanded your store's capabilities, but also unlocked a new avenue for growth. Custom products are a fantastic way to differentiate your brand and keep customers coming back for more. Before we wrap up, remember that this integration is just the beginning. Take the time to explore Printify's vast product catalog and think about how these items can fit into your current product lineup. Whether it's custom apparel, accessories, or home decor, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to integrate Ecwid with Printify. We hope this guide has provided you with a clear roadmap and sparked some ideas on how to enhance your online store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and strategies. Happy selling!